Taser deployed.
I'm stopped. Oh my god. Roll over to your side. Do it now.
In January 2023 in Wisconsin, a seemingly simple traffic stop spiraled into a nightmare. The 30-year-old man, talking about his young child and family waiting at home, smelled of alcohol, swerved on the road, and prepared for a decision that would change the course of his life.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Officer McCord, Waukesha Police. Reason for your stop today is you were over the line over here, and then also you were in the bike lane coming down east. Any reason for that?
No, we were just trying to get home. Honestly, like the car in front of us, I felt like they were getting kind of close, but I understand why you were concerned, and that's why I just like pulled over.
Okay. What was your reason for coming in here?
It was honestly because like that car that was really close, I was like concerned and
Concerned for what?
Yeah, we have a newborn, and I didn't want any complications. Like honestly, you can look in the back, you can check all that, and like honestly,
What do you mean by complications?
No, what I meant by like, I didn't want you to think that there was anything concerning. You know, we're trying to make it home, and like her mom is literally waiting for us.
Okay.
And, like, she can show you all the ID and all that.
Do you guys have IDs on you?
Yeah, we do, and it was just it was a matter of like, let's just get home safely.
Okay.
We're 5 minutes away.
I hear you, boss.
And, like,
Where are you guys coming from?
Right up the road.
I think.
Do you have your license on you, boss?
Yeah.
While standing by the vehicle, the officer observed his speech was slurred and detected a strong odor of alcohol emanating from the vehicle.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No.
Any illegal drugs? How much alcohol have we had tonight?
I think I have like 2.
Okay. How about you, boss?
Probably less than her, but check my ID. It's just everything's good, man. We're literally like.
How much did you have to drink? Is what I'm asking.
Probably one or
We
two.
but like,
One or
we
two
also
what?
left
No.
at
like 6 o'clock p.m. man.
yeah.
Okay. You
It
left at
was me.
6 o'clock p.m.?
Yes, like we left
You can
my
check our
apartment.
receipts. Like we're literally just trying to make it down the street.
It's me.
Right. I'm just wondering because you guys are saying you come from the restaurant. I could smell the intoxicants coming from the vehicle, so I'm just trying to see if you're safe to drive.
Totally me.
The reason why I stopped you is because you were going over the line in the bike lane coming down East Avenue, and then also the line over here. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So how many drinks did you have, sir?
Check in the car, like 2. Like I.
Do you have a license on you?
Me?
Yes. All right, why don't you guys hang tight here, okay? I'm gonna run him through fields. Okay. The reason why I stopped him is he was like going a little bit over the bike lane coming down east. And then also when we turned down to Sunset here, he was over the center line. Gonna run him real quick. You guys should just do him here.
Yeah, might as well. Nice and flat.
Means he's revoked, right?
Through Illinois? Yeah, status revoked. Hit up Leanna, she can confirm that. Maybe she can do something more on her end too, because it'd be nice to see if he's revoked for an OWA, you know what I mean? Is he up visiting?
He's not making much sense.
Oh, really?
He's like, I'm just trying to get home. We have a baby at home. I was like, he's always dodging around my questions. Do you have your ID? I have it on me. But anyways, we were just trying to get home.
Oh, being real evasive with his answers and trying to change your line of questioning.
Yes.
How'd you guys end up over here?
He pulled in. I was going to stop him. And he pulled in and he started going all the way around. I was like, why'd you come over here? He's like, honestly, the car in front of me, I didn't want anything to do with them. I didn't want you guys to think. I was like, what are you talking about? 406, go ahead.
406, Rudolph, that is your phone.
10-4. Could you advise reason for revocation? How would I find out if he's got prior OWIs through Illinois? I'll ask her later.
Yeah, you might have to just do fields and ask after.
Well, she's still working on that anyway, so I'm gonna do it now. All right, Rudolph, so here's what's going on. I'd like to make sure that you're safe to operate a motor vehicle, so I'd like to run some field sobriety tests on you. Is that okay?
Let me talk to my wife about it.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do it regardless.
No,
so.
that's okay.
Okay.
I just want to know what she thinks about it. That's fine, right?
Well, she's
I just want
hearing.
to talk to her about it, right? That's okay.
What do you want to talk to her about?
Exactly what you said.
Sure, go ahead. You can ask.
Thank you.
Keep the window rolled down though.
Damn, just open the door.
It's locked. Try it. Hey, Rudolph. Hey, open the door.
Yeah, no, I was just.
Okay.
I told you exactly what I was going to do.
Okay.
What is he saying?
Let's do that now. Okay.
Can I finish talking to her?
No, I'm telling you to get out of the vehicle right now.
Okay. Sorry.
When the officer asked him to step out for a breath test, Rudolph locked the door, avoiding all questions. In a split second, he was on the gas, turning a traffic violation into a high-speed chase through a residential area.
Like 5'5", locked himself in the door.
Hey, don't, no. Put it in park. Put it in park now. Just take it off. Pursuit. We're going westbound on Sunset, passing Tinny.
We're going eastbound. We're passing Grambling right now. These are 97.
The SUV was traveling more than 100 miles per hour in the 35th precinct, then lost control and crashed into a tree, ejecting the female passenger. Rudolph continued running in the dark until he was taser gunned and handcuffed in the apartment lot.
Foot pursuit! Stop! Do it now! Police department! Stop! Taser deployed. Stop. Oh my god. Roll over to your side. Do it now. We are across from Navajo right now in the apartment complex. 1026 with the male driver. Do not move. There was
stay with him.
one female passenger. The next squad can check on her. There's
No,
the
she
car
fell
alarm
out.
going off. You can start at 1052. Unknown injuries at this time.
Are you injured?
You want the honest answer?
Yes, I want an honest answer.
Good. Do you really want the answer? Do you really want to know? I can give you this answer.
He's cooperative now.
No, I'm cooperating. But do you really
Are you
want to
injured?
know?
I'm asking you a question.
Alright.
You good for now?
Yeah.
Did she run?
No, she fell out.
No, I fell out, yeah. I just lost my daughter. I don't even know if that was mine.
Hey, thanks for not hitting me. Thanks for not hitting me. Hello? I don't know.
You're laughing. Somebody was laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
I don't give a. So you think I deserve to die? You think I deserve to die?
Are you injured right now? I got an ambulance coming.
Do you need an ambulance?
Sir, no, I don't.
Okay. Are you injured?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Can you stand me up?
Not right now. I'm gonna have you chill here for a minute, okay?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you what the situation is. You can take it however you want.
Okay.
I know that you felt that I was under the influence and you weren't gonna let me go.
Is Max dead?
No. It's right over there.
I'm gonna roll you over to my side, okay?
Yep. Can I have water?
Not right now.
Can I ask you an honest question?
Sure.
Are you new? I've been doing this for over a year.
You've been doing what?
No, have you been a cop for, like, doing this for over a year?
I don't know if that's relevant.
No, I'm just asking you. I really want to know.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? It's okay if you have.
You're gonna be okay, okay? You weren't driving, this has nothing to do with you, right? So can I help you up, please? This looks very uncomfortable. You can't move? Alright, what hurts? Are you
I was
injured?
asking you a question.
Okay, are you injured?
I was asking you a question. Can you? No, I will answer it. I will
I'm
answer the
asking you
question.
a question that's more important than how long he's been a cop. I'm asking you if you're injured.
I can't say anything for you. I can answer it once I get that answer question.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he's gonna be cooperative with it.
No, I am. I'm trying to be straightforward with you.
Okay.
So are you injured? Are you gonna answer the question?
Actually, one more.
Do you need to be checked out by an ambulance? Rudolph.
What does that mean if I need to be checked out?
I'm
by
asking if
anyone?
you're injured.
Yeah, and I'm asking you, what does that mean? Because I feel, I'm in pain.
Okay, where?
I'm in pain in my entire body.
Okay.
Whole body
But
hurts?
yes.
Anything specific other than your whole
I
body?
can't tell because I'm in shock. I know you're shaking. It's okay. I'm not shaking. I can tell you.
It's chilly outside.
No, that.
She's a passenger. I think she's just in shock.
Can you pass me that chapstick, please?
No.
Do you remember what happened?
Nancy split up and I jumped out the car.
Why were you guys running?
He drank just a little.
Okay.
And it wasn't as much as he thought. And we were sitting there forever. And then he just said, I have to go. And he's not even a bad person. And he's just...
Nobody's saying he's a bad
I
person.
know, but...
Wait, what did you just ask him?
Yeah.
What did you just ask you? No, I can ask that, right?
Walk.
You can walk in. Why are you asking weird questions?
See.
Can I have water?
No, we don't have any
Sit
water.
down.
It was like slow motion. Locked us out of the car.
Quick.
Locked us out of the car. Hand on the shifter. I just ran back to my car. I left him up there. I'm like, it's about to take off.
Is there any way I can have water?
No, we do not have any water.
Is there
I
any...
see about getting
We
you
have
some, but
zero
you gotta
water.
be
You
cooperative.
can see about getting some?
What's in your mouth?
Dude, I just fell on the floor. Like, you can
Just
look.
open your mouth and stick your tongue out. You got like dirt.
No, oh, yeah. We just figured it out. I'm just asking.
Okay.
Take a seat and we'll figure it out.
We don't have any right now.
That's
We'll
okay.
work on getting it.
Just please sit down.
What's the time frame for that?
No time frame.
Are you gonna be
Are you
cooperative or
no,
not?
are you gonna hurt me if I
I'm not
don't
gonna hurt
water?
you. No, but sit down.
Just sit in the car. You're not getting water right now.
Okay, put your feet in. Well, that took a turn. Yeah. My dumb ass said it was.
So I had a good view. I saw him put his hand on the shift now. I don't know if you saw that.
Well, I saw when you started going back, I was like, don't do it. And he
I
did
did
it.
shit. I ran back.
No, it's good. It's good.
I knew what was happening.
You had to jump on.
Obviously we're in the fields. Do you want to do them?
I don't know if he'll be cooperative. What are you thinking?
It changed a whole lot. Maybe he's in custody now. At least give him the opportunity.
Firefighters like to talk to you.
Can I have water?
We do not have water, unfortunately.
Okay, what do you have to aid me here?
We have an ambulance. We have medical staff. We can
Just say
So what happened?
Okay, I can tell you right now that I know how the justice system works. I know how things go, and
Okay, but what's going on with you? We're just a paramedic, so we're here to help you with any
so
medical
if
needs.
if you're here to help me, I need water.
And we don't carry water with us.
Do you
That's
have any type of fluid?
not that we can
Rudolph,
give
do
you.
you
a
have
drink.
any pain or injuries?
No, I'm trying to tell you that I do.
Okay, can you tell
I'm
us
just
that?
asking for
I'm not
water.
going to give you water. So you
Okay,
can you
so-
tell us about your injuries?
So, the injuries that I have,
Yes.
I can't really talk about them because you're saying that you can't aid them.
So you're declining medical
I'm not
assistance.
declining medical
Okay, then tell us
assistance.
what's
I'm
wrong.
asking for medical assistance.
For
and,
what?
And the simplest version is I'm saying it's I need water. If you cannot provide me with that, I understand. And I wish it wasn't that way. But like, do you understand what I'm saying? Like, I feel like right now, medically, I need water. You tell me I can't provide that to me. So fortunately, like, it looks like I'm gonna have to suffer. I don't want that.
Okay, yeah, we don't, that's not something that we can take you to the hospital where they have water. Yeah, then that would be what we could do, but that's not something that we would be providing to you.
And then what are the other options? Because like I don't want to die.
Right, we wouldn't let you die.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't know because like right now I'm saying I need water,
Right.
and it feels like it's dire. But you're looking at me saying that you can't provide me with that. Like you can't provide me with the bottle.
Right, because we don't carry that. That's not
okay.
something that we carry.
That's okay. I understand.
We have other means of giving you that if you
I
feel
understand.
that.
I understand. So what? Like, how does that work?
That would be like giving you an IV with fluids and things like that, but that might not quench your thirst. That might just...
If I say that right now I need water and you just would like put me in some type of cell or some type of cage and you don't provide me with water, like I can't tell you that I'm going to be 100%.
Look, you'll get water soon. I don't think
Talk to these guys.
I don't think you're getting it. We don't have any right now. You'll get water in a little bit. Is that the only chief complaint you got though? Are you doing okay right now?
I'm not doing okay mentally. It's tough for me.
Alright.
But I'm trying to be honest with you.
Okay. No,
You know what I'm saying?
we appreciate that.
I
Man.
appreciate your honesty.
Yeah, like I know where I stand and I know what the situation is.
Yep.
And I know that I made a bad decision, but I'm trying to say that, like, realistically, I feel like I need some water. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We're gonna get going for now though. Okay.
Yeah. So you're not too concerned with that.
No,
We'll get you water where we're going. We don't have water out here.
What's the timetable with that? Like,
15 minutes.
All right.
are you just saying? Oh.
Thanks for taking over. I would have had you guys going on the opposite.
You're good. You're good.
Damn it! I'm going the wrong way.
I would have jumped on the radio sooner. I freaking couldn't get my damn seatbelt. I'm like, I'm trying to get the seatbelt. No, he has dirt all over his mouth. He fell and got dirt in his mouth. Well, he took me through the pine trees. And I'm right behind him. I got whacked right in the face.
Yeah. How fast?
We're going 100 miles an hour. Last time I looked out, it was 97.
Yeah.
Oh, no, he was trying to turn in here, so he's slowing way down.
Oh, I was going to say, I was like, he'd be up in that building right now.
No, he was slowing way down. Just for your report purposes, I mean, he just fell asleep, like snoring, heavy odor. I could, he smelled up the entire squad, so. Yeah, I got a feeling in my ankles and these sores held them while I rolled it.
Yeah, I was like, where do you guys go? Because I saw you guys go in there, and then all of a sudden I hear it over here. I'm like running through the...
My first taser, nothing. Like, I heard it hit his wallet, according to Sober, but that second one locked him up. I was like, oh, great. All right, I'll meet you up.
What started as a simple traffic stop led to a series of felony charges against Rudolph, and he ended up with 18 months in prison and 2 years of supervised release. That night ended not with a 5-minute drive home, but with a sentence that reminds us all: drunk driving and fleeing the police is always too expensive.